Hey, sixth graders, it's Miss Huberty here, and I am going to talk to you guys about something that's going to make you sound very fancy when you're talking with your friends and your family about what you learned at school. And this week, we're going to start talking about what we call Greek and Latin roots. And really what that means is, how do we break apart words so that we can understand the meaning of a lot more other words? So first, what we need to do is set up your reader's notebook. So what I need you to do is open up your reader's notebook to the green writing about reading section to the next full blank page. Okay, this is not my best artwork. You guys know I am not a fantastic artist, but what I need you to do is make 3 pages in your notes look just like this. So if you need to pause your video, this is the best time to do it. Pause it, but 3 full pages, divide them in half, and then each of those segments, or they'll have 6 sections, you're going to make a square in the middle, and then kind of draw those lines off of it so you can see that we have a word that's going to fit in the middle. Our upper left-hand corner will be our definition. The upper right-hand corner is a picture. The lower left-hand side is an example or example words, and then the lower right-hand side should say sentence. So you're going to set your notebook up for 6 of these chunks of notes, but we're just going to be working on the first one today. So set up your notes before moving on. All right, the first Latin root that we are going to talk about today is fin. Fin can come at the beginning of a sentence, or it could come partway through a word if there's a prefix attached to it, or it could come at the end of our word. So that's why you'll see that it's F-I-N with the dash, because words can come, or part of a word can come after it, or you'll see the dash F-I-N because there could be a prefix or something else attached before. But fin actually means end or limit. So take a second, think of words that you can, recall that would have fin within them. And then I want you to think, does that word have something to do with ending or limiting something? So take a second, do some little brainstorming. Okay. Now, what I would like you to do, I guess we'll go back here for 1 second. This Latin root is what's going to go in the middle of your page. So if I go back to this first page, you'll see I've already entered that in that middle square. So fin is going to be for your first set of notes, F-I-N dash, that goes in that middle square, okay? Now I want you to add in where that definition box should go. And you're going to write in end or limit. That's always going to be there as our reminder that this is the definition of this Latin root. So when you're finished with your notes today, we have only completed a portion of it. You filled out that middle square that says fin, and then you have written out the definition that says end or limit. And that is all we are doing for today, kids. Tomorrow you'll finish up some more notes.